God! Check it out! 2023 Ford Bronco beautiful SUV. In the house for ceramic tint. Hand-cut micro-edged for door windows. No gap whatsoever. Looks amazing, looks just like factory. Breakthrough in automotive window films. LLumar CTX Ceramic. Tint rejects more heat than many dark films. Here you go, front windows almost 90% heat rejected. Back windows almost 98% heat rejected. Feel no burn on your skin whatsoever and protect your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
For watching AMStv.
AMStv.